Max TV.
Na me who clear to say coronavirus and subscribe.
Somebody, if you know they respect yourself, make I tell you something. We will know they respect ourselves where we work. I get what I'm saying. We know they respect ourselves where we work. Where the reason why? Because Ghana here, if you respect yourself too much, people won't take advantage. Aisha, make I tell you something. If you be mind matter, where you go on talk. If you be mind matter, when you want to explain to people. What's here, have this on that. If me and my guests, when we have threesome, what will it concern you about? What Jimmy on? Or if you say every day, you will can talk something, make it trigger something, make somebody feel say, you never see your shower pass me. What's here? Me on the face, me and the fuck two girls. You were 5 men, they fuck you. You were dog, they fuck you. What's here? We get video for you. Where they America? Where dog, they fuck your hands. What's here? You come to Ghana and say somebody do threesome. Where Jimmy? You call him, you call Aja. You see Aja for it. Don't see Aja for it like that too. She go start beat you. Don't see. You say the girl she do music. What's here? What they do for your life? People give you chance. You come social media. Now obey some send then Ghana for you also. Who they do business for Ghana, bad man? Who they do business for Ghana? You understand me? Can't talk about my mother and things. Who be your mother? Asha, if you don't can show who your mother is, you are dead in this Ghana. If you don't can show who your father is, you are dead in this Ghana. I swear everything I tell you. You know? See, we go research you, we go bring your things, we go look for things, we go do things. What's here? Facebook. In our real life, you don't know if stand the thing. In our real life, you know if stand the thing. What's here? This not before I realize, then somebody go call me. Oh, shut up. This thing. Ashamodi can do report. What's here? When you saw your oba, if you don't say the woman, do the thing they do with me. That stupid thing you can do for the industry. You are one of the main people when I won't stop that foolish one. A music industry where they interview people like you, make you feel get some wings. Then go fit talk to celebrities like that. What's here, mommy? Chowning brand pabre. What Jimmy Papa? Can't tell that says somebody to do threesome. What's here? You were dog, they fuck you. Dog, they fuck you. Then they shit put your mouth inside Ashamudi. That's why your face so nice. What's here? What job do they do for America? What job do they do for America? Or who know you even for America? When Jimmy Papa, when you got people them and they go sleep, you feel say oh we don't know. When Jimmy Papa, because if you be like the way you put the behavior. When Jimmy Papa. Can't talk about somebody they do threesome. Where Jimmy Papa, and then I want to threesome. This one I want to go bring. And the top matter say somebody go write something. Somebody go write something. You can't write for the like as if me and you get me. You see the thing you go do. You find problem for yourself. Me yo back. Me yo check me. Me yo check me. Some yo check me. Me yo check. Me yo check. Me yo check. Kosia. Shower like you. If you say we don't know you, you dey come talk Aja for him. Aja for him like better pass you. Shatamishi like better pass you. The sister way the sister we like better pass you. Cause yeah, you want to get to borrow people can drive for Ghana and the life fraud boys. You Jimmy Papa cause the fraud boys said if I say fraud boys said it can because maybe we small boys because big boys no will even come befriend you Ashamudi. Well Jimmy Papa cause you go speak somebody about you about Sariki. In wife, they go beat you rough. In wife, they go beat you rough. About Sariki, when you go talk about matter, in wife, they go beat you rough. On make also. On make nonsense. So your man. You go chase somebody's husband. You go chase somebody's husband. You be Ghana here with it. You visit, I just wake up, where I just do video. So you get more to do video. Make even Abbas, my girlfriend, make it dry, Say you go call me, I go slap you for in front. I go slap you. I don't give a fuck about what anybody think about that. I don't give a fuck. Cause what matter happened to me, it's my matter alone, it's not your matter. So I don't fucking give a fuck. We're giving you so many times. If you demon where some people even the internet up, they see themselves like they will be celeb critics. Then they won't find themselves and criticize celebs. Make people not bring that thing come aside. Right now, nigga is cool. Like nigga is living. Like, yeah, fucking bath with a rollie, my nigga. Like, you ain't got shit. Like, you see, the life where we live, your territorial, you don't see some before. What see ya? Like, you go take my cars and go put for Stoneboy house, say the Stoneboy cars. What see ya? Make you take video. And what see ya? You get money. I support you get money. You get money. You know what be hustler. What see ya? You know be your fault. Ghana don't give you people that chance. If you want a music industry, where you fuck up, where you go make people like you go see entertainment program top, then they talk. What see ya? Uche say giraffe. Jimmy Papa, and I won't say. Or if you say what? Or if you say man they play or something. Or if you just man they play. Hey, don't see him like that too. Don't see him like that. We don't say gang, we be gang. Are you understand me? We be gang. Don't see him. Don't feel say you play with somebody. Don't feel say you just do something. Don't feel like that. Now be real gang, Aisha. I be real gang. Don't be like that. What you walk around and you make somebody who say don't do that. I be real gang. Me I tell you, I'm a gang like me. I know they hear. That one of the worry people for Ghana. The people, only people are worried in my music industry because that's what my problem is. I don't have any problem with the president. I don't have any problem with the system. I don't have any problem. You see where me are they? I won't survive for them. That is where I find myself. So nobody for come stand there and can't do like you want to show me something. Bad man. Hey, I shall me and Amika say so uche. Me and Amika uche. I shall see uche. You do so we are shawo. We are shawo. You can't tell me say me I do 3 songs. Me yet 10 songs. Me to me a man it's not me job now. I'm a man. Who are you? You that you make people fuck you. You are shawo. They don't even pay you. What's here? The type of girls if I fuck, I shall the type of girls I fuck. You see them a leg under, where do they take walk? You find past your face. You find past your face. Your face way, if you say you find. Who's the toilet? Aisha. Charlie, who's the toilet too? Who's the toilet? Toilet way be share. Me toilet, me toilet. Who's the toilet? Who's the toilet? Aisha, who's the toilet? You are just a toilet. Who's the toilet? What's the toilet? Charlie, what's the toilet to do? Me say me show makeup, say no more toilet. Say me show picture, no more toilet. Sometimes between me somewhere, no was hey toilet. Who's the toilet? You are a toilet. What's the toilet? Like you should know that. Who's the toilet? You don't have to let me come and tell you who's the toilet. Do we need sana? Yes, we do be video no me share. We need sana we do be video no. Obia friend say, oh, what's the toilet? Oh, what's the toilet? What's the toilet? What's the toilet? Me say, what's the toilet? Bear green and I yellow maybe. Or say David with your malaria toilet. Who's the toilet? Who's the toilet? So who's the toilet? Nobody small toilet, Obama. Toilet. Who's the toilet? What's here? You can't follow about Sariki for a cry here. Make who call you Quimara. Where Jimmy? Somebody has now with the chaser. Somebody has now with the chaser. You go put for somebody comment and I say, me I dey fuck my cousin. Cause yeah, me I can show you my family members. And you see my mother matter where they talk no. Me I no be like those kind of coward people that why they talk my mother matter. Why they talk my mother matter. You see, don't come and lie to Ghana. Cause Ghana everybody know. But mother, it dey my back here no. And me I find house for make it there. I give am car. My mother I understand say we be hustlers, so we the hustle. All those those things, those petty talks where somebody talk. Me, my parents, they know me very well. I be too strict. So you know, you can't tell me about my mother. And you can't tell people, like, I know you are a fool to even tell people like this. People say you are a fool. Because yeah, I know they watch my mother and my father. They're going to buy properties. They're going to buy cars. Someone Jimmy ya. Someone Jimmy ya. Wait, where Jimmy Papa see how to way say, you want to see money? I somebody want to see money. You and your fucking crew, you don't see money before. When you guys see money? Jimmy, poverty brains. Eh, Aisha, me na make us me see uche. Me na make us me see uche. Me na make me see uche. We are shall come bon with Jimmy. You the disgrace woman. Plenty girls for Ghana me like. Don't think that, you see this I do. Plenty girls happy because plenty know they like you. Cause who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? Your friends should be T-roll. Toilet brush. Your friends say toilet cleaner. Those things should be your friends. Because who was a toilet? You are a generational toilet. It won't change. So who will cry? Ubanu kwa toilet. I shall say who cry ubanu kwa toilet. For the rest of your life in your generation, you will look like toilet. Because you want to step on a toe that you don't know. Hey, Aisha, you see me I be spirits. I be spirits. Don't see me like that. I be spirits. Me, I say you look like toilet, and forever in your life you will look like a toilet. Mark it. I am telling you this thing. People will tell you that your face, the makeup you do for your face, it be toilet. You don't get makeup. Don't even try makeup. Because if you don't even do makeup, you look like toilet. So when you add makeup, you look like toiletry product. Toiletry. When you toiletry product. Toiletry product. You can't think of was here. When you are this and I'm going to make America, now we're trouble in Ghana. Where Jimmy, toiletry girl. Who's a toilet? Serious toilet. Serious. Who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? I'm telling you the fact. And if I was you, I would start learning something about sanitation. Because toilet and sanitation goes. What Jimmy Papa, what about social media? If you say I be those artists where, you know, Sako there go give Castro in family money. You know they there. But what continue with those so? No toilet, no face, no. I shall not me I say they change your name. I shall use a toilet. You for extra that thing for Facebook. Make Mazuga Beg say that is your rebranding. I shall use a toilet. Who's a toilet fucking mommy? Who's a toilet? Who's a toilet who? Who's a toilet? Trust me. You are not fine. Don't let anything lie to you. Today, from today, when you look mirror, you go carry me my face. Say I say who's a toilet? Any makeup artist who go do you makeup for the one say, I bet catch yourself, madam, the makeup is so nice, but who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? Sakode go give money, go sit ready talk. They talk for them. Sis, Sakode not do anything for cash. And can no question Sakode don't take advantage. But so on they gentle. Me amano. Me bawasu me. Me bawasu. Amao. So what Jimia? Me bawasu. Now unko police station go report. Say oh my bawasu. So what Jimia? If you say police for Ghana, they even full say, where did this matter start? Because you go can't tell me say they fuck my cousin. What Jimia? You go can't tell me say they fuck my cousin. You can't give me cousin. Or my family members as they born them, if you they register them for birth certificate. Or they work for birth and death. Where Jimia? Who's a toilet? No, who drinks a toilet? But I'm not sure you even shit toilet. Because that is what you use for makeup. Where Jimmy Papa? Where Jimmy? What toilet? And now we are who's a toilet? Forget everything. Abbas Sadiki on bell. Abbas Sadiki on bell. Because on himself, who's a toilet? When you want to be for public. Because who's a toilet? When you get to somewhere, somebody might think it's a toilet car that is coming to take toilet from a manhole. Because who's a toilet? You are a toiletry product. It's big time toiletry product. Even if they have to even put you in a position of Nyama Ekipu or bathroom, I shall not hear. Bad, you see bad. Bad even won't give you away because you can't be friend bad. Because bad is even nicer than you are Shamoni. Bad I'm only born with just you can't even be nice like bad. Who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? Toilet. If you know what toilet is, Google toilet. They will show you the meaning of toilet. Toilet. Nonsense. Can't take it, they can't talk somebody matter. Make you see, do this. Me, I like this social media, you know. I like this thing. What's ya? Me personally, I must say, this is my life. Me, I like matters like this. Me, I like things like this. Social media. If me, I bring video, this thing, video for Facebook. Me, I started to do video for Facebook. Wait, because chance. You won't give. Who's the toilet? Who's the toilet? Who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? You can show one door. Say we dey do Ashamodi. That Aja thing talk to me for that those things talk me and the fuck Michelle Aja. You see Michelle said you get you go beat you rough. You see that girl? If you're not a gangster in the world, Michelle, if you're not a gangster, so you see that thing talking about Michelle, make sure say you go deal with them. Cause me I know they go out again, but she's my baby mama. I take good care of her. I do what I have to do to make sure she's okay. But you see the nonsense where you talk about them right now. You just 4 toilets inside. In within your toilet behavior, with your toilet face. And you'll be toileted. You'll be toileted. Watch. If you are crying with it, Ghana. If you are crying with it, watch. I tell you something. Shatamishi, you forget how you have already forget. But is it Shatamishi name where you go on? Me. I know they even go talk to Shatamishi. I know they even go tell him anything. But I see the threesome where you talk. If I go answer, because he go show you something. Yeah. Because if me and my girl, they have threesome. It be your matter. If me and my girl, they chop lizard, it be your matter. You can't write something and say I fuck my cousin. And that is not my cousin. You take them upon yourself. That's how they come to I talk to you, say, you know, they respect yourself. Try to respect yourself. If you say it be video, it good. If I see you from East Lagos, if you want to see me, call me. Me bow soon on camera. Now I call Indiwa police station. It's not killing. They will talk about it. And they will solve the problem. Now my bow soon. Sometimes my bow soon. We are ready for consequences. Ashamodi, you see, we are ready for consequences. Problem. See, most of when people they watch me and they see that are like, oh yeah, me I be very nice guy. But I see when somebody activates in gangster mode, no be say me and they activate self, me and they generate. Me and they activate and they generate. So you see, the weapons we are to bring come to you. Who wants a toilet? Who's a toilet? You're a fucking toiletry person. I swear. You shouldn't even compare yourself to sanitary pad. Don't compare yourself to sanitary pad. Because sanitary pad is even nicer than your face. Who's the toilet rough? Who's the toilet? You are the most bushest girl ever in Ghana. You are the most stupid girl ever in Ghana. What's here? Or if you say what? If you follow stone where somebody go fear you, say, you know, go talk to you, go do this thing. That's a mistake. It's even no. Because I go see like I saw I pay on 5 CD. Make you still say I saw I'm trying 5 CD. Make you still. Make you still. No one was channel. I want to meet from channel begin. What channel now the enemy? Who channel na me? Who check? Who channel betting? Who's a toilet rough? You are a most. I don't know what I have to. I don't know how I have to even put it. But to be frank, who's a toilet? So who makeup? Ashamodi. Who makeup? Who come now? Who makeup? Can I say me say who's a toilet? Who be a who come be a so a toilet? We need a toilet. Yes. What part? See what part young girl? Who nya brewa? You are a carcass. Who nya brewa? You be carcass. You pass. You decay like your face. Oh, who's a toilet? Who's a now be at we messaging because who's a horror? Missy Kwasiana Vanya horror. Who nya horror? Horror face. Who nya face? Baby. I somebody see face. This horror face. You don't go get some. Who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? Kwasia. Hey, don't do that thing. Don't play that game with me at all. Don't think say you can't give me some thing make me here the guy make I give you one again. Me and Stonebwoy, nobody go fit come in between us unless we won't go in between us. So don't think that's the what Stonebwoy where they do something. Constantly here, they talk. My baby mother, they fit sell them watch the dance. Cause me no cocaine. Me I say, you don't know me. Don't talk about me like that. Today, as I see that, I say like, you go right for this side, they fuck my cousin. Cause love, you know love. Make people put them a picture. See, anybody will know my glove. Make they put my glove in picture out and make they put Ashamodi out. You go tell me. Oh, everybody go see. What's the toilet room? Oh, what's the toilet? Oh, shut up. Oh, yeah, science. No, yeah, shut up. What Monday no science. No, Aisha said toilet. Aisha. c'est toilette. Et nous disons, Aisha, c'est toilette. Où c'est toilette? Où c'est toilette, Rolf? Où Jim, papa, quoi, s'il y a? Now, person me jari, say me jari, and me hear video no. Now, me family true money in jail. Now, say, who's the toilet? Una Mr. Me near now the Ayameka. Mr. Me now the Ayameka. Kwasia. Where Jimmy? Where Jimmy? Where be it? It is sad for the way the talk. In matter, where the talk. Aisha, me my life will be risky. When God take me from where I can't catch you, eh? You know, be fine boy life. You know, be like, oh no, me, my branding. Me, this is my fucking brand. You don't want to accept it, you move your way, I move my way. Because nigga know how to keep himself to get to the top. If you say this one thing, go to write that stupid thing, make Ghanaians feel like you get some mind, eh? And you write some nonsense thing for social media, somebody can tell you nonsense. You tell the person, why you don't deal with the person direct? Why you don't tell the person your mind direct? You can't tell the person, me, I fuck my cousin. Hey, Aisha, you know my family members. Who's the toilet? Who's the toilet? Who's the toilet? Abbas Ariki, eh? In wife, eh? If they catch you, eh? If they catch you, eh? You go here, somebody husband. You go talk bloggers, make bloggers right. Make bloggers right, say you marry, they engage you. Somebody husband. You won't marry them by force because the man you get money. Where Jim Papa? Who's the toilet? Who's the toilet? I said, don't even bring yourself close to pad, because pad, safe. 5 parts your face. Pad. You know pad. Pad. Or tampon. Tampon. They would show if 5 parts your face. What's here? Where Jimmy Papa? You know, make nobody can step matter. Me, I don't like those kind of nonsense things. Me, I don't like nonsense things. I don't like those nonsense things. What's here? Who's the toilet? I say, I'm who's the toilet. And come and do another video again and talk about my family. And come and do another video and talk about my family because that be the problem. You and me have family problem. Me assume public on camera because I would like the police board to see that I slap you. I'm not a coward. Me assume. Where Jimmy Papa? The matter you talk no. I said you can't talk answer say you get evidence. Say what? Cause here, love if I pass you for the fuck love, that's not your matter. Any girl where I choose to fuck, that's not your matter. You just go talk to somebody the fucking cousin. What I say, Shamodi? When I can't tell you say somebody my cousin. When I can't tell you say somebody my cousin. When I can't tell you. But because who said toilet, you know, who drink toilet, who can sakra toilet, who can sakra toilet, who can say, who now hear toilet, you know. You know, hear toilet, you know. But when you share one, I say, no, you have to give her a toilet face. Because this girl, she can't get angel face. She can't be, no. Anything I will say toilet, you know. Who said toilet? I'll see you later. Don't worry. I'll come again. Yeah? Being can't say, my hair ready, bro. My kindness is my hair ready. What's here? Who's the toilet? Shamodi? What's here?
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up. It felt so